Oh, hey, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Janelle, also known as Crazy Curls. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you never miss another video. But also like the video and leave a comment. Give me your feedback so we can talk about it. Now, with that being said, today you are tuning into another Twaid Out video. This is part 3. If you have not seen part 1 or 2 of me using a different technique and different products, make sure that you tune into that because you don't want to miss it. Every product that you use to style your hair will give you different results. So with that being said, if you want to know how I achieved this Twaid Out, the technique I use and the products I used, make sure that you keep on watching. I am back. It has been officially 2 days since I styled my hair in this Twaid, and it's time to take it out. As you already know, my hair has definitely shrunken up. Like, look at that. So disrespectful. Anyways, let me turn around so that you can see what my hair looks like dry. And now it's time to take them down and see what these results look like. I'm going to use jojoba oil, one of my favorite oils to use because it's very light and helps reduce frizz. Apply some to your fingertips. 2 methods, you can either apply it all over your hair, you know, rub it down your twist, or you can just rub it on your fingertips and start removing the twist. So what I'm going to do to make this process go by faster, I'm going to take a closer look to see exactly when the twists start, which is right here. Place my finger right here. Boom. And now I can start removing the braid. But let's just look at these twists right here. Look at how juicy Look at how juicy these twists are. Listen. This is definitely my go-to protective style during this winter time. I keep this in my hair for about 2-3 days. Mostly 2 days now, just because I want to film and show you guys these results. But look at my hair. All you see is a juicy twist braid. So I'm just speed up the rest of the clips and show you guys what my hair looks like. Oh my goodness. I love my results. I have amazing definition. This is crazy. You saw it. Listen, all I can say is I'm super happy with the results. I love the fact that you guys chose Nature's Little Secret. I used a new product. It worked amazing. My hair is still moisturized. My hair is shiny. My hair feels so soft. It feels so good. As far as another Twaid Out, I like the fact that I used less sections of hair this time, and I still achieved the same results as I did in the last video. Even though I used different products, these products for a Twaid Out are a yes. I have shine. I have amazing definition. My hair is super moisturized, not dry at all. I have no complaints. My hair looks good. My hair feels soft, and it smells good too. So some of the things that I did different in this video was I used the LOC method to achieve my hairstyle. Leave-in oil cream. I normally do the LCO, which is the leave-in cream oil, but I've received amazing results, so I'm not complaining that I switched it up. I'm not complaining that I used a new product, and I'm super happy that I did the 2-strand twist again, because in all honesty, my results are amazing. What happened different? I just tried it again. You get better and better with practice. So the first video I did, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. My results were like, okay, they were good for day 6, but you will see the issues that I had with that style or trying it for the first time. The second time I did a 3-strand twist, which took longer, but I really loved my results. It really elongated my hairstyle. This time I would say I have more shrinkage, but my results are bomb. So whether you use a 2-strand twist or a 3-strand twist, just make sure that you're taking your time. Make sure that your hair is fully detangled. Make sure that you're taking your time when you're taking them down to avoid, little areas of frizz. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Tell me what's the last product that you want me to use for this series, for this month, down below. If you want to know my product stash, it's linked up top, so make sure you check it out. Peace and love. Thank you so much for tuning in. Many blessings. I will catch you next time.